Hi and welcome. My name is Kelvin Cabrera from Santiago, Dominican Republic, and I will explain you today how to record an electric guitar or bass with an amplifier. Recording an electric instrument is slightly different to recording the voice on studio or an acoustic guitar instrument. That's because when you are singing or talking, you can hear the sound in the air. The same happens when you record an acoustic guitar or another instrument that produces sound naturally without connecting it. We have the option of connecting the guitar or bass directly to the interface with a TS 1/4 inch cable. That's the easiest way to record an electric instrument. But it's not the best option we have because it represents a delay produced by the computer when we record this way. It can hurt and bring problems to the performance. It happens because the latency on the computer makes the sound come out a bit postponed from the original track on the instrument. There are some USB adapters that have an input for the instrument, a line out for headphones to monitor the sound, and a USB terminal to connect directly to the computer. But electrical instruments like guitar or bass require some qualities that permits you to make your sound better. We need to monitor the sound of the guitar or bass outside of the computer for making a good record. For this, we used an amplifier. It will amplify the signal when we are playing in real time. The easiest way to record with an amplifier is connecting the instrument directly and putting a microphone in front of the baffle or speaker of the amplifier, which lets you capture the sound that goes to the audio interface and monitoring yourself at the same time. It is a good option to do that, and it's appropriate for amplifiers that don't have preamp. The problem that we can encounter using this option is that this can create a feedback if we don't take care of the volume. If our amplifier has a preamp, we have more options to connect the instrument. We can connect the instrument to the input of the amplifier. Then, using a line out in our preamp, we can connect a TS cable to the audio interface. This way we can prevent feedbacks. The sound of the amplifier keeps coming out, although the preamp is connected to the audio interface with the same quality of the amp. Like we said before, not all amplifiers have a preamp on it, so we can connect the guitar or bass through different circuit that prevents feedback and loudness, and don't need preamp on its structure. We connect the instrument to a direct box. A direct box has an XLR output that goes directly to the audio interface, and direct box also has another line out on the side of the input with a TS cable input jack. We use this other input to connect the amp with a TS cable. This option is a better way to record. That's because the direct box prevents noise that can be produced for the TS cables. There are more options to record an electric instrument with some different configurations. All we mentioned here are the most popular and used for a lot of musicians and recorders. That's my presentation of the assignment. I hope you enjoy it and like it. See you in the next assignment. Bye bye!